Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you Come Homer, convertible futon sofa bed. It is a 68-inch fabric futon couch with adjustable backrest and a folding futon sleeper recliner for living room and all the other rooms where you need a foldable sofa bed. It's a nice furniture in cream. It's also on the market in black, blue, olive green, and gray. You see, the weight limit is 300 pounds. That means you and your partner maybe can have a rest over there. The adjustable backrest is really cool. It feels like hitting the bed after a long, tiring day, but the bedroom's door just is too far away. We make this futon sofa bed that newest addition to our living rooms, and we will be able to unwind and relax the moment we feet touches home. We can quickly turn it into a bed in seconds by simply pressing the two buttons located at the bottom of the iron frame, or we use the mechanism on the back side to overband it a little bit and get it down in position. And we have here a convertible sofa bed. It's crafted to be timeless because this futon sleeper couch's design remains modern yet classic. Easily fits it into any corner of our living space. Be it your living room, studio, or office, this piece of furniture might just be our missing puzzle piece. Individual with a limited space could benefit hugely with this sleeper couch. And additionally, supportive legs for stability on it. It's made to withstand a heavy load. The legs are made from firm and sturdy materials. As we turn, the futon sofa bed just drag out the two legs from behind the backrest and place them on the floor for extra stability. And with a high quality material, ensuring we are going to the ultimate comfort and secure experience. The futon sleeper couch seat cushion is crafted from high resolution sponge that does not sink in easily or lose the shape upon sitting down. It offers us the maximum soft and comfort experience we would need after a long day. And it's really easy to assemble. We will show you. Tired of unpacking and assembly for hours for every package of your order? We rest at ease with this delivery package because it's only one pack. We're getting done with that futon sofa does not require more than 30 minutes. All the needed accessories attached, saving us the extra time and effort, of course. It's fast and reliable to get this brand new upgraded multifunction sofa bed in position. We can have here a no access part, minimize design, space saving, and a more stable bed structure. This adding the legs for the backward side highly ensures safety and stability too. And perfect for small apartments and multi-purpose rooms. So we can go into it and have a power nap, for example. Easy maintenance, versatile style upgrade, and better protection. And an endured durability too. You see, this is an unfolded full-size 68.5 inches to 41 inches space for our goosey rest. With a gentle pull, the sofa transforms into a comfy bed. No contrast as we sleep. Freely, we can expand it. And a lot of colors like white, beige, green are available on the market to get what you need. The right color for your come homer, convertible futon sofa bed. 68 inches fabric futon couch with an adjustable backrest and a full futon sleeper recliner for living room and so on furniture. In this case here, it's in cream. Thanks for watching. please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So